Today we're making homemade hot chocolate. First you need 4 cups of International Delight Sweet Cream Creamer. You have to use this because it tastes just like melted ice cream. It's absolutely delicious. So we have 4 cups in our pot of the International Delight Sweet Cream, 2 tablespoons of Hershey Cocoa. I'm going to have our heat on medium heat. Mix that in there. We're also going to use 1 cup of semi-sweet pieces of chocolate, and we're going to melt that in the microwave before we put it in our pot. So let's put that in the microwave at 30 seconds at a time. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to our pot. That's vanilla extract. After 60 seconds, I should say, in the microwave, our chocolate is melted. We're going to add it to our pot. Remember, I did 30 seconds at a time because we don't want to burn our chocolate in the microwave. And this is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips, chocolate morsels, whatever you have on hand. I also sprayed my coffee cup with non-stick cooking spray so the chocolate wouldn't stick to it. It's easier to clean up that way. Now we stir that chocolate in so everything gets mixed together. Again, my stovetop is on medium heat because we don't want to scorch the chocolate. We just want it to melt nice and smooth. This will take about 5 minutes for everything to really get incorporated together. If you have mini marshmallows on hand, we can put that on top of your hot chocolate when it's done, or even frozen Cool Whip. A nice big tablespoon of frozen Cool Whip on top is really good. Now that everything has heated together for about 5 minutes, your hot chocolate is ready to eat. Now you can either top it off with mini marshmallows, or I'm just going to put some Reddi-wip on top. Cool Whip. I hope you like my recipe for homemade hot chocolate. Like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.